What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 1 unboxing. This is everything. Actually, this isn't everything, but all together, if you count the orders my friends got for me as well, I spent about $2,600 on week 1. This is a majority of it, and somehow at the time that I'm filming this, it's week 4 of Supreme and I don't have everything yet, but I cannot wait any longer. So, you know, we're just gonna do what we have so far, and that's just gonna be the video because this is already probably gonna be a pretty long video itself. So before we get into it, I did want to say I did not make a live cop last week, even though I did say I was trying to do one every single week. Unfortunately, your boy had to go to the doctor. I got a bunch of stuff that I'm dealing with right now. So I'm still gonna try to upload as frequently, but it seems like every time I get into this new YouTube rhythm where I'm constantly uploading, constantly giving you guys content, something always hits me. There's always a roadblock getting in the way. But I'm gonna try my best to give you guys as many videos as I possibly can. So I want to do a week 1 because I think only 2 people requested it, but I'm still gonna be giving you guys what you guys want to see. So leave in the comments down below if you got any video ideas, or if you want to see more live cops, unboxings, or what do you want to see. I'm always listening. And lastly, before we get into it, make sure you follow me on Instagram. There will be a card on the screen. It is Chandler Sutton, even though rest in peace to Instagram, my favorite app is officially dead, but that's alright. Make sure you follow me on there, and make sure you follow my clothing brand. It is Hell X Heart. The brand name is Hell Heart, but the username is Hell X Heart. Make sure you follow me on there. We have a drop coming soon. You guys are not gonna want to miss that. So now that all of that's out the way, this long intro, I'm so sorry. Let's get right into this unboxing. So like I said, it's about $2,600 if you count all the orders that my friends got me. This is probably, well, I'm missing some things. So this is probably gonna be maybe a little over $2,200 worth of stuff, but you guys will get the gist. I also don't have a lot of room right now, so we're gonna try our best right now to do this unboxing. But judging from these skateboards, I'm gonna assume, I'm tripping. Judging from these boxes, I'm gonna assume inside are the skateboards. But we'll open these up first because these are taking up a lot of space. And there were no free gifts this season. Don't know what they were thinking. Maybe Supreme's going a little broke this year. But there were no free gifts, but there are a lot of stickers as well as the gold foil sticker. Is there a lot of stickers? I usually say that all the time. I actually don't even know. But we're just going for that gold foil sticker. But usually the skateboards, you don't get them. But we'll just see what we got here. So here's the elephant skateboard that I don't remember the exact name. Oh, it actually is literally just called the elephant skateboard. Got this in the black colorway. This one is going to be for the personal since I collect a majority of the skateboards. So I'll set that over there. And, oh wait, did I get stickers? I did get stickers after I just said you usually don't get them with skateboards. Maybe they're switching it up this season. Looks like I did get a gold foil that is not too bent. It's not the best condition. It could be worse. And then I got some other, I'm not going to show this one, but this one is pink. And then I did get 2 other stickers right here. Now let's just move along because I do not want this video to be like 30 minutes for you guys. So we're gonna try to just breeze through this as fast as we can. So next up, this is another personal, and it actually looks like, again, I got some stickers. Here's another Catwoman one right here. And let's see what deck this is. So this is the American Trash Skateboard. This one is just sick. I'm definitely hanging this one up immediately. I really like this one a lot, and you know me, I just love all the skateboards. So we got that pink one again that I'm not gonna show, as well as this one, and then another gold foil. And this one's actually in way better condition, except the corner is bent. And then to the final skateboard. I probably just broke all the stickers. I heard them all fall. So it looks like we got the Catwoman sticker again. Oh yeah, this is the little box logo one. Yeah, box logo t-shirt skateboard. I really like this one a lot. This one is probably my favorite deck of this season so far. I mean, it's pretty simple, but I do really like it. The same exact things, that pink one again, this one, and another gold foil. And actually, they somehow just keep it getting better and better. This is the new best condition one. So all the skateboards out of the way, so now we can get into the real bangers. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna just grab them randomly. I hate how they just ship like so many things separately though. Like, it's so annoying. Like, in this whole package, it was just these 2 box Lego stickers and the, what even was this? Oh yeah, the little towel set. Literally this whole package. Yeah, nothing else is in there. And I get that they ship from a ton of different locations, but still, I just feel like that's a waste because I only had like 4 or 5 orders, but somehow I ended up having like 35 packages. We got the Beanie Baby, which is for the personal. This thing is so fire. I thought this was so sick. Somehow it's only like $30 on the aftermarket, but it's sick. Then we got some stickers, 2 red box logos, that green one again, and then as well as that same pink one. And then we got the Andre 3000 tee. This thing is so sick. I'm actually not going to open it because I did end up changing my mind. I was a little upset I got black. I would much rather have had white, but unfortunately I got black. So hopefully I can like trade this or something. I don't know, but I'm looking for white in a size large. If you have it, let me know on Instagram. And then that's everything inside of that. All right, I feel like we're like cooking right now. We're like breezing through this. And like I said at the beginning of the video, this still isn't even everything. I'm still waiting on, I think it was one more order to ship. In this one, we got the olive oil. Now this is gonna be for the personal because I collect literally every single accessory. This is like sick. The details on this is crazy. I really do like this. I'll leave this rack up though for right now just so I don't damage it because like I said, we don't have a lot of space right now. Then we got 2 Redbox logo stickers and then just a ton of packing material in this one. So nothing else in that one. Then moving along here, but yeah, see what I was saying though, like that whole box just had the olive oil in it and I got multiple things in that order. And next we had, what even was this? I already forget, it's been such a long time. Is this a flashlight or something? Yeah, we got the power bank right here. The, what is this? The light plus power bank right here. Got that in red. Please do not tell me that's the only thing in here. 2 red stickers and that literally was the only thing in there. This is what I'm saying, guys. This is what I'm saying. Exactly what I'm saying. Now we're getting some space. Only got 3 boxes left. So in here we got another red box logo, and then I believe this is gonna be the toolbox. Yep, the toolbox. No other stickers. Just packaging material. So this is for the personal, so I guess I could just open this real quick to show you guys. Yeah, this colorway is so sick. The blue I felt like was slept on. I didn't really see anyone talking about the blue. Actually, my friend Zach got the blue, and I felt like him and I were the only ones that were really liking this blue colorway. I would have loved to have seen some more things in this color. And then it looks like I have a bunch of paint chipping off of the front, but I mean, no big deal, because I'm probably gonna display it like this or something, put all my box Legos in it. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, really hyped on this one. Glad I got the blue colorway. Hopefully all my shirts are in here. Like, where are all the shirts at? Then we got a bunch of stuff in here. We got this red S logo fitted hat. This thing was so fire. Super slept on. I think it's even still in stock. Then we got that white hat right here. I don't know the name of it. Then we got the fire. Oh my god, we got the fire. This was easily the best hat to drop that week. This is that one that I said that Mac Miller had worn, not in this specific colorway, but this style of hat, they like retroed it. And yeah, this is the brown colorway. Really like that one. Now we got the tees. I'm not opening any of the tees, but I mean, you guys are gonna get the idea of them. You've seen them a million times by now. So we got the Catwoman in white, that trash tee in white, the Wombat tee in, what even color is this? This is dusty blue. This is a fire colorway. I wish the Andre tee came in that color. Then we got the Slapshot tee in red. We got the, where's this at? The Braces tee in black. Can't really see that one too well in the packaging. Got some more box logos right here. Elephant tee in white. And then finally for this package, we got the Don't tee in a size small black. And now we got 2 more packages left, so we are almost done. And while you're watching this, guys, if you're this far into the video and you do enjoy this content, please make sure you hit the like. I do greatly appreciate it. And make sure to, if you haven't already, you subscribe. I'm looking to be uploading a lot more, like I said. So please subscribe, drop a like. Then we got a red box logo sticker. Then we're gonna have a bunch of stuff in here as well. We got that, okay, this looks a lot different in real life, but I still do like it. It's that green Supreme beanie that I got from my girlfriend. Then we got another Slapshot tee in black, Wombat tee in black, this red hat, black box logo hat. Then unfortunately this one kind of looks like it's smushed. But that 5-panel hat, again, that I said Mac Miller wore, but this one is in black. Another fitted hat. We got the black, same exact hat that you already seen, but this time it's in black. We got the Catwoman tee, so many tees, so many tees. Elephant tee. We got that Don't tee. This dusty blue is so fire. Then we got the Braces tee in black, that Everlast beanie, the trash tee in black, and then lastly for this package, that same exact hat you already seen I think twice now, but in black. And then on to the final package from my Supreme Week 1 unboxing. Well, at least what I have right now, because like I said, I really don't want to wait any longer. It's already been over 4 weeks right now. Cannot wait any longer, so we're just opening it. So for this video, this is the last Supreme Week 1 package. So it looks like I saved the biggest box for last, even though this is probably all the Hanes stuff. So this one's not going to be too interesting here, but we got the black pack of t-shirts with the boxers as well. I believe I got 4 packs. Maybe I guess I only got 2. Maybe you're only allowed to get 2. I don't know. Got that same pink sticker right here. We got 8 packs of the socks. So these are there every single day of the week. Don't need to show these off. No point of that. We got more of the boxers and tees, so I guess maybe I did get a 4-pack. Then we got that silver side bag. I really do like this silver, even though again, all the colors I like, no one else likes. I feel like I've seen a lot of negative things about that colorway. I thought it was sick though. Then right here, it looks like we got the camo small box logo. This camo is actually pretty fire. I do like that a lot. Then we got that silver side bag. I really do like this. I know I just said it, but this silver is fire. Then we got those traveling pouches. I think there's 3 of them inside of here. Yeah, the organizer set. This is for the personal. I'm not gonna open it right now because I am literally out of room, but I did get this in silver, and this is way bigger than I was expecting. Then lastly, for this order, I did get that bag, the large carry tote. This is also for the personal. I got this in silver, and this thing is huge, so I'm gonna be able to carry a lot of stuff in that. And then I got 2 red box logo stickers, and I'm gonna assume that's everything. And that is everything for my Supreme Fall Winter 2022 Week 1 unboxing. Again, at least what I got so far. I am missing a couple things, and I don't have my stuff from my friends. Again, I've said it so many times in this video, but I just did not want to wait. I wanted to just hurry up and bust this video out. It's already week 4. You guys probably already forgot about week 1, but I still hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up for week 1. I'd love to hear it, and I do read all of the comments. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video, and make sure you like the video if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below like I just said, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. I appreciate all the support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.